When multiplying binomials, follow this order every time. FOIL. FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, last. Start with the first terms. Multiply 2x and x to get 2x squared. Next is outer. Multiply 2x and negative 5 to get negative 10x. Now do inner. Multiply 3 and x to get 3x. Last comes last. Multiply 3 and negative 5 to get negative 15. Once all four products are written, combine like terms. Add the x terms together. Write everything in order. The final answer is 2x squared minus 7x minus 15. Pause here and attempt these examples. After that, press play to see the solution built visually, one step at a time. Remember, FOIL just tells you what to multiply and in what order.